What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a giveaway, and I'm also going to be showing you guys the differences between the old Mountain hatch and their new version. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video as well, because as I stated, this is going to be a giveaway video. I'm going to be giving away a brand new Mountain hatch cutting board, and I'm also going to be giving away my old tailgate insert Mountain hatch to a lucky winner. So if you guys do have a Tacoma, this will fit it. And of course, if you guys don't have a Tacoma, you guys have any vehicle, it doesn't matter what you have, you can own this. You could probably win it for your mom, your dad, doesn't matter who it is. So make sure to stay tuned for the details. Let's go ahead and now get into the video. And as I stated, I'm going to show you guys the differences. Before I install my new Mountain hatch onto the truck, I wanted to show you guys the differences between their old version and the new version. So looking at the right side right here, you're going to notice on my old one, there is two cup holder inserts right here, which you can, of course, put cup holders as I stated. And on their new version, on this side, it has one cup holder, and on the bottom, it has the awesome United States flag. So I think this is a cool little design, and it, of course, it is made in USA, so it says it there, and there's the flag. So I think that's pretty cool, a little design. On the opposite side over here, it has their legendary Mountain hatch logo right here, and then there's another cup holder on this side, and on the old one, it just has the logo there. So there's not a huge difference. The only main, I guess, difference you could say is the type of material that they use now is a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this now, and yeah, then we'll get to the details on how you guys can be a winner. All right, so for this installation, I know I've done a video on it already, but I'm going to go ahead and show you guys just one more time because it is really easy and quick, so anybody can do this. So all you really need is a T30. That's what I have on my awesome machine, and basically you're going to have 8 of the big screws right here, and then you're going to have another 8 going around, which are a little bit smaller, but they take the same exact socket. So let's go ahead and get into it. Super easy. And just like that, under 5 minutes, you have this basically removed, which I'll show you how to do that exactly. I just want to show you this. So as I stated, you're going to have 8 of the bigger heads, and then you're going to have 8 of the smaller heads. So you want to keep those separate. Let's put them off to the side, and all you really do is lift up, pull back, and it's off. So this is going to be someone's, whoever wants to enter and win. So now that we got the old one out, let's go ahead and insert the new one. Super easy, nothing too hard. Just like that. Line the holes. Let's go ahead and put the screws back on, and you're done. One tip before we keep going, I just wanted to state it's probably not best to use a Torx wrench like this when you're reinstalling it, because you could break the plastic. If you do, just be really careful. And just like that, you have it installed. So let's go ahead and now give you guys the details on how you guys can win my old Mountain hatch, and of course a brand new cutting board from Mountain hatch. So let's go ahead and bring this over here really quick so I can show you the brand new one. So the brand new one, let's go ahead and give it a look really quick and check it out. All right, so now that we're done with the installation, now that I showed you guys how it looks after on the brand new one installed, which I think it looks really good, I just wanted to talk a little bit before we get into the details on how you can win it. So the cool thing about having a Mountain hatch, because probably some people don't know what the heck it really is, basically it's a cutting board that's installed onto your actual vehicle, and they make it for a lot of trucks. I believe they make it for Jeeps and different vehicles, so go check it out. If you do want to purchase one, it's going to be in the description box below. But it's cool, I mean, because if one day you don't want to bring a cutting board with you and you forget it, this actual material that they use is food safe. Of course, you probably want to wash it down before using it, but it's cool to know that it is food grade safe, so you won't get sick if you cut into it and you're cutting your meats. Just kidding. After you beat your meats, if you don't want to beat it on the actual Mountain Hatch, you can beat your meat on this, which is a Mountain Hatch little cutting board. So that's pretty awesome. And these are actually really affordable. The only thing with these smaller ones, they're not available on the website, so you would have to actually email them directly or send them a message somehow. That way you guys can ask them about these. So today, let's see how you guys can win one of these bad boys. So it's going to be really easy for you guys to win, honestly. You guys already know I don't make it hard. So listen up. The first thing you're going to have to do, of course, is be subscribed. Make sure to smash the like button. The third thing I want you guys to do is please make sure to comment down below which one you want to win. Either the tailgate insert, which is, you know, my old used one, which is still in good condition, or if you guys want to win the brand new red cutting board. So let me know in the comment section below. It's that simple. If you guys do want to check Mountain Hatch out, I'll make sure to leave all their links in the description box below, including their Instagram, if you guys want to learn a little bit more, or if you guys want to purchase one of the smaller ones for yourself. As I stated, you do have to message them for the smaller ones because it's not on their website. So that's it, you guys. And make sure you take screenshots because I am going to ask for proof when you guys win. So 2 lucky winners. I'm going to give you guys 2 weeks to enter. So one disclaimer I did want to give before we end today's video. The red cutting board that I am giving you guys, that's going to be brand new. I'm going to send it in a package and everything. It's brand new. Of course, the actual tailgate insert that I'm going to be giving away, it is my old used one, so don't expect something brand new. It's still in working condition. The only thing is right here, I did crack it the last time. I think I over torqued it, and then when I went off-roading, I think it might have shifted it because it wasn't cracked. And then another thing you're gonna notice, I am missing the inserts that go here. Same thing, I'm not sure if it was due to off-roading or what it was, but I just wanted to give you guys that disclaimer. But overall, I mean, it's still a good product, and for the people that do actually know what this is, it's not cheap. So here it is. If you guys want it, I'm giving it away. So I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the videos, and I know there will be more off-roading content coming soon. We just got a brand new camera which I'm recording on. I hope you guys like the quality. It is nighttime right now, so I'm not sure how it's looking, but I hope you guys enjoy it. So there's going to be multiple cameras going around when we do go off-roading. So that's going to end today's video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time, hopefully on an off-road adventure. Peace.